Maybe. Maybe. So you find girl in another country like India, Nepal, Thailand, so many Asian countries rich, not only Philippines. Rich, thank you for the thank you for the renewal of your membership. You are you are my one and only members in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. My plan is to save a lot of money, then move to your province as your neighbor. As my neighbor, okay. Okay. As my neighbor, okay. Natatawa ako sa neighbor, ha? Four viewers and 8. Hello. Why didn't you join the army there? My brother is in the army. I am the eldest, and the next to me, he is in army, Philippine Army. I want to my only dream is I have a land, a house in the mountain and land, so that I can raise pigs, chickens, and goats like that. I want to be a farmer like my father. But farmer, not farmer like rubber only. I want to have many chickens, goats, and pigs like that. And turkey and carabao. I like that. Many animals, and I want to I love to live in countryside kasi countryside living. To delete woman gym military there, yeah, but you need to have degree course, or like you have to go to college and enter the army military, because I don't know. And me, I only finished high school, and my brother is not. So my brother is in the army military, Philippine military, my brother. 3 viewers and 8. And he is have a oh wow, there's you don't have to go to school for military, you need to high school degree. No, here it's like you need to you have a college like in situ. I don't know if you know what in situ. Most of the here you need to have in situ, so you can join easily in situ or like college degree. If you don't have college degree, better 72 units or in situ. If you have it, you can easily join. But more sometimes boys, high school graduate, they can join, but much better if you have in situ and college degree or like that, or 72 units in college. You like that because they can easily join if they have it. So, babalik-balik lang ang kwento ko, di ba? For viewers, nakikinig lang talaga yung ibang viewers dyan. Bakit kaya? Bakit hindi magko-comment, guys? Bakit hindi magko-comment, ha? Bakit hindi magko-comment? Why listening only?